This is Matt, and this is a video on how to export from Loveable. So Loveable, the popular AI designer for web and app. I'm right here on my Loveable account. Now you can see some of the recent projects here. I've got this one here, National Trust Finder. This is just something I mocked up and it didn't really go anywhere, but I'm just going to open that just to show you how to actually export here. Now, got the project open. It's not actually opening fully for some reason on the preview, but that doesn't matter. The whole point is how do we export. So you can publish here. When you click publish, you can actually publish a live URL that people can actually check out. Other people can see it if you have anyone selected, or for workspace, it will just be you logged into your account. So you can publish there. But the easiest way I've found to actually export and actually get this code, so you know you've got the code, and again it's not opening the code. In fact, I'll show you a different project because for some reason that one's being a pain. Let's open the film book archive. Okay, so here we go. So we see the code right here. In fact, code's not opening on that one either. But the point is, here's the site. You can publish. Here's the project anyway. You can publish from there. But what I like to do to actually export is I click right here. And this is the GitHub link right here. You can literally add your GitHub account. From here, you can click configure and just add it. Super simple. And then you'll add, and each individual project needs to actually be added to GitHub. So they're not added instantly, but what you would then do once you've got the project added to GitHub, you are literally just going to click right there. That takes you to GitHub. So this is a repository that's private, as you can see. And then I just click this green button right here, and I can literally just download a zip. So when I click download zip, you see the zip goes flying up there. I'm on a Mac, so that's the universal symbol that something has in fact been downloaded. And you can get all your files that way. So all of these files, the individual code that you have from Loveable, that's how you export for free. You don't need a paid account or anything. This is just a free plan that I'm using right here. You can design your prototypes, design your projects, and then connect them to GitHub. Come on over to the repository, click on code, the drop down on that green button there, literally just click download zip and you've got all the code. So that's the best way I know for actually exporting from Loveable. Hopefully you found this video on how to export from Loveable useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.